Time is money. Joseph, these are great. Really good job. I mean, you definitely did yourself a great service picking a three-word proverb. I think that's smart. And in a way, I kind of think that the Rebus project would probably be well served if we were to start with a very, very short proverb, maybe a three-word proverb, and then start working. And for example, if you jump up to Douglas's, Douglas's has, where is Douglas? Douglas is a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So you can imagine how difficult that one is to do, right? So I think that you definitely you played it very safe here. I shouldn't say safe. You played it very smart here. Now just remember, just take these principles that you're learning here and just really think. Matter of fact, I think a great exercise would be to take a look at Doug's um, proverb and see how, think about it. You don't have to submit anything, but just think about how you might go about representing. I think that's the toughest one on the whole list. And Doug, if you're listening along, I mean, kudos to you for taking the challenge, but this is a tough one. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. That's a tough one. So Joseph, just think in the back of your mind how you would go ahead and depict that proverb with your rebus. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at yours. This is great. This is it, man. I mean, that's as succinct as you can get. That boils it down to its very raw, basic essence. This is very, very successful. I think this is really successful as well. This one might even be boiled down more into its more of an irreducible core than even this one. This one is more kind of like a little bit more steps involved here. So you have a tie, and then I would add a plus there. Tie plus M, time is, and then $100 bill. Make sure that you put the little circles in the corner just to make sure that that is recognizable as a bill indicating money as opposed to $100 inside a rectangle. Do you see what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense. This one's a little difficult. I don't think this one's as readily available as these two. I shouldn't say available, accessible as these three. And these one time, this one, I'm not really understanding the scale. I don't think the scale is working here. I think it's adding another set of conceptual thought here that I think that is complicating things. This again is adding another thought with the snooze and the alarm clock. So I think your answer is right here, one of these three. Okay, so really great job. Good job, Joseph. Good, smart approach, definitely. And again, just go ahead and take a look at Douglas's and think about how, and maybe even respond here, right here, as how would you approach Douglas's conundrum, as we shall say. Douglas did a really great job with what he had to work with, but I think Doug kind of set himself in a little bit of a complex direction in that he's using more ideograms and pictograms than phonetically assisting the viewer in pronouncing the words to the proverb to achieve that aha moment. So think about that. All right, great job, Joseph. Thanks for sharing. Any questions at all? I'm right here. Let me know. Thanks, man.